Hello, my name is Neeraj and today in this video we will learn about lambda expression. So let's see what is lambda expression. A lambda expression is a concise way to provide the implementation of the single abstract method of a functional interface. So it means for to implement abstract method with the help of lambda expression, an interface should have a functional interface. Means only one abstract method is allowed in an interface only when we can implement that method using lambda expression. Okay, it lets you write only the method implementation instead of creating an anonymous class. So we don't need to create an anonymous class. Instead we write only methods implementation. Okay, so it is a shorthand for anonymous inner class, and here it is a syntax. We do not provide method name and access modifier and the return type. Okay, so we only provide the method implementation part, not the function name and return type and access modifier. Okay, right? So let's see these things in code example. Okay, so to understand this we have to take one interface that is, let's say, fun, and this interface should have a functional interface, meaning it should have only one abstract method. Okay, only then we can write with the help of lambda expression. Okay, so let's declare one abstract method, that is my phone. Okay, so here instead of directly writing it with the lambda expression, let's first see this with anonymous inner class. Then after we will change it into lambda expression. Okay, so here I'm just implementing the anonymous inner class. Okay, so here we will implement that method. Let's print out anything. Alright, now just call this object, that is an object of anonymous inner class. Okay, and let's rerun. Here you can see in the console the text is generated, right? So here we have the anonymous inner class. Okay, let's make it more concise with the help of lambda expression. Okay, so how we gonna do it? For that we already discussed that here we don't need this function name, return type and access modifier. Just simply delete this, and here also. Okay, and we don't need this new one. Here we need this parenthesis and arrow symbol. Okay, that's it. This changed it into an lambda expression. Okay, so what if this method has one parameter? Okay, let's see, if we are passing one string. Okay, here I mean, this my phone has one parameter, except one parameter, that is a string object. So here also we have to pass this parameter. First of all, pass some string. Let's say hi, my. Okay, so here we are passing this. Here we don't pass the object type or something. We only pass the variable name. Okay, it can be anything, name or let's say text. Okay, right? Here we don't specify the parameter type or object type, right? You simply name the parameter name. Okay, so here we simply specify here that variable name. Okay, that's it, we are done here. Let's print this. As you can see here in the console, the text is generated. Okay, so now, so even if we have only one parameter, then we don't even require this parenthesis. Okay, and here we don't require this. We need this, but we can make it in a simple single line. Okay, so here this implementation has only one single line, then we can omit that parenthesis as well. Okay, so here look how this it is so much concise. Okay, so this anonymous inner class has got into so much concise. Okay, right? So if this method, abstract method, has more than one parameter, then we need that bracket. Okay, it is that bracket not required when we have only one parameter. Okay, and this here parenthesis we don't require if it has only one single statement. Okay, so here we have understood how we can what is a lambda expression and how we can replace lambda expression. How we can replace anonymous inner class with the lambda expression to make it more concise, to make anonymous inner class more concise, to write it. Okay, so in this we have only one limitation, then that if this interface has more than one abstract method, then we cannot use that lambda expression. Let's say we are writing one more abstract method. Okay, so now you are seeing here the target type of the expression must be a functional interface. So this interface is not a functional interface because we have more than one abstract method, right? So this lambda expression cannot be the anonymous inner class cannot be implemented with a lambda expression because this interface is not an interface, functional interface, because we have more than one abstract method. Okay, so for this I'm I'm ending my video, and thank you for watching. And if you have any doubt or query, please feel free to put it in the comment box and reach out to me. So let's see in the next video. Thank you. Bye.